Welcome, dear students. Today we are here to deal with a very important aspect or a topic of production and operation management, the site layout. The production site need to be chosen with utmost care, and apart from it, there must be different aspects located in a particular function. In a particular site, the layout is what? Layout is availability of different ingredients or aspects at desired locations. The dangerous processes need to be at safe distance from other buildings. The layout should be planned to allow the future expansion also. There must be a streamlined flow of different output resulting from one of the minute production unit. Thus, the streamlined flow of the different ingredients also marks a very peculiar character of the site layout. Okay, I would give you a brief idea of how a site layout looks like. You can see over here the site layout present here. The site layout plan gives you where the tank should be, where should be the expansion planned area, the emergency water, fire stations, workshops, stores, laboratories, the canteen, cafeteria, office area, and all that, pipe bridges, etc. You can thus notice from this map that different aspects which are related are closely associated, and thus site layout stands out to be very peculiar in this. The process units are usually laid or at first they are arranged for a smooth flow of material between the process steps. The different the difference lies in the setup marks the more peculiar fruitful results. The administrative offices and the laboratories are located away from hazardous processes. Control rooms are next to the processing equipments. Utility buildings are located as to the minimum piping between the process units. The storage is placed between the loading and uploading facilities and next to the process units that they serve. Thus, all these makes out a very peculiar site layout. Now, coming back to the next layout objectives. A model facility layout should be able to provide an ideal relationship between the raw material and equipments, manpower, and final product at minimum cost under safe and comfortable environment. An efficient and effective facility layout can cover following objectives. We can have few objectives point by point. You can also note it down if you require it, because it will be easier for you to remember later on. To provide the optimum space to organize equipment and facilitate movement of goods, and to create safe and comfortable work environment. The second point is to promote order in production towards a single objective. The third point is to reduce the movement of workers, raw material, and equipment. The least movement you will have safer work environment at that place. Fourthly, to promote safety of plant as well as its workers. Worker safety is always the prime concern at every production unit. Next number, to facilitate the extension or exchange in the layout to accommodate new product line or technology upgradation. Next point, to increase production capacity of the organization. Next point, an organization can achieve these objectives only by ensuring the following points. Let's enumerate them one by one. Better training of workers and supervisors, creating awareness about health hazard and safety standards. PPEs are must. What are PPEs? PPEs are basically all contained in the personal protective equipments. The glasses, the helmet, hand gloves, and shoes, all these make PPEs. Further, next point, the optimum utilization of workforce and environment are very must. Encouraging empowerment and reducing administrative and other indirect work. All these are the objectives of layout design. Okay, that was all for today. We will meet in the next video. Thank you. Thank you all.